What's going on, YouTube fam? Good morning to all of you. It is an extremely windy day today, but we're persevering, and today we are headed to Be Seen Studios. I'm going to head over to New York with them. I'm going to be there until Tuesday, March 6th. Today is Friday the 2nd. 5 days in New York. You guys are going to follow me through this, and we're going to be doing hair shows, tattoos. You guys can see all of that, so stay tuned and you're going to see all of it. So you guys can see that I have this haircut, and you might see some videos after this that are pre-recorded because, you know, I might not have time to shoot any videos for YouTube, the Tuesdays and Thursday segments, but it's fine. Those are fine too. But yeah, so we're driving there now. Should probably put the camera down. Camera and drive is not a good thing to do, but let's go.
Come on, David, man.
Oh, that's not a staircase.
Train got delayed so many times, or for like an hour, and we're finally here. We're gonna go hotel and drop everything off. It's gonna be a rainy day in New York, but
Yeah,
see what we can do.
Okay, honey, I'm walking in the rain. Stop.
Thank you, Canon, for weatherproofing.
You know, I've never hold these.
Bro, your glasses.
I know.
Ooh. We probably have room. Well, damn. We can see the other people across from us having sex.
We can jump.
That's as far as it goes, because it doesn't want to jump. I can't.
I'll give you $10.
Nope. $10?
$10 if you buy me. If you buy me a new pair of shoes, I will. Are we idiots?
The weather is quite lovely in New York.
Very. Ew, my bangs are
Literally the worst weather, because my socks are soaking right now, and I absolutely hate wet socks. Wet socks are absolutely the worst. So I'm going back to the hotel now by myself. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call up a few friends and see if they want to hang out. So I left the little squad. I left Lynn, Linda, and Maggie. They went to go shopping. I'm back here at the hotel. I'm trying to hit up Dwight, Rashid, my two friends, and they're gonna bring some people. We're gonna try to shoot. This weather is just crazy. Like, I didn't expect it to be this crazy, and I did not pack my boots, which was probably a mistake. I should have packed my boots, but like this setup right here has amazing lighting. Like, I'm looking at it on my monitor right now, and it's like a crazy light set. Hold on. So like, I love these lights right here. There we go. That's my color, blue. Let's go through the schedule for this weekend. So today is kind of just a relaxed day. We just got here. So let me just go through what happened. So the train got delayed for an hour. I was sitting away from them because all the seats were full. And then I got to sit next to them for the last like 10 minutes because somebody got up and left. Now we're here at the hotel, and they went to go shopping. Lynn really wanted to go shop and go to Soho, but you know, this weather's like, my socks got wet twice. Wet socks is my worst fear. Like, that, I hate it. I hate it more than anything. I'd rather jump off a cliff than have wet socks. It's a really nice hotel, to be honest. Like, really spacious. It's got an alright view, and you know, it's just comfortable, except the bathroom door doesn't lock. Pretty good space, pretty good hotel, so I'm liking it so far. Tomorrow I'm just gonna hang out for a little bit, then I gotta go to film something at 7:30 p.m. with Lynn. We're gonna do a tattoo. He's gonna get another tattoo on his arm, I believe. Sunday is the first day of the hair show, so we gotta do that 10 a.m., get out at 5. Then we're gonna go to Salt Bay's restaurant. If you guys don't know who Salt Bay is, he's the guy that goes with his salt on his steak. And then Monday, we have the hair show again. Then we're gonna do whatever. I'm planning to hit up Dumbo, because I really want to see Dumbo. As many times as I've been to New York, I've never, ever, ever, ever been to Dumbo. Like, what? So I'm gonna go there, probably do some shoots, some shooting and all that, because I'm gonna have all my gear on me regardless. Tuesday, hair show, then we head back at night. So that's the layout for this weekend into this week. And Monday I also have an exam, so I got to do that. I got to wake up and find some time to do my exam before 12. That's the plan for the weekend, and we're gonna get all that in. But like, look at this setup. This is a really cool setup. I'm gonna put this on Instagram or something. If any of you guys are in New York and you guys want to meet up or something, come through, because we got some free time after the hair show on, well, Saturday I'm not really doing anything until 7:30. So Saturday we got the whole entire day besides at night. Monday night we're going to Dumbo. If anybody wants to hop on that, come on through. We're open arms. Tuesday we got to head back, so I don't really have time Tuesday. So really it's just Saturday morning, Monday night. Let me give you guys something to think about for the video, to give you some value, because, you know, I don't want to just give you all this little boring vlog first day, because there's not much content to it so far. And I don't know if I'll have any content by the end of the day, depending if Dwight comes or not. So let's think about a little something. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about codecs. That's what I figured we're going to talk about today. So why is this camera's 1080 and 4K different from another camera's 1080 or 4K? And it all comes down to codec. So if you have a better coloring codec, you're going to color better, like a 422 codec. That is the best color grading codec because, well, it just gives you the most detail. So when it comes to bit rate and all that, you know, a 10-bit video is a lot better than an 8-bit video, and that's what 4K goes by. So an 8-bit 4K video is going to be a little bit less high quality than a 10-bit one. A 10-bit one's going to allow you for more room in post-processing, which really altogether just develops better because you get to keep so much information from the original video. And this comes with raw 4K too. Raw 4K is probably the best thing you can get, and that comes from like a Red camera. Those are the best images. They're so sharp, they're so detailed. They keep all the information for you in the camera so that in post-production you get a lot of more flexibility. So when it comes down to codecs, you get a lot of flexibility depending on what you use. So when it comes down to cameras like the 6D that I'm using, where it only shoots in 1080, you get two options. You get all I or you get IPB. Now what's the difference? Now the way I remember it, all I is like all me. So most of it is less compressed. Everything's like, it takes images and basically makes a movie out of images. So every frame of a video is a single image, uncompressed, unprocessed. In IPB, it takes all these images and compresses them together, so you lose a little bit of detail when you do that, and it's a little bit less, you know, flexible. So when you put it into post, you'll notice that all I is a lot sharper. So right now I'm shooting on all I 1080p based on this 6D that doesn't have 4K. So that's a lot better than using IPB, because IPB is going to give you a less flexible image. It's going to be more compressed, all the details going to be missing, color grading is going to be a lot harder. So when it comes to codec, it's all about really just having more information, and you want as much information as you can. That's why when you shoot images, you want to shoot raw images, because it leaves more room for color grading, post-production, and all of that good stuff, because you have so much information from the original shot. And when you start to lose information, things start blending together. It's like trying to remember something from the past, but then having a similar memory, and they kind of just blend together. Like when you forget you did this with one other friend or your ex or something, and then you bring it up to your girlfriend, and it's kind of like, oh, well, wrong person. That's kind of what it's like. So you kind of want to avoid that unless you're running low on memory cards or memory card space, or your camera just can't handle it. Like if you use the 1DX2, I'm pretty sure that people don't really shoot 4K vlogs because they run out of memory really quick, because the 1DX2 gets really awesome 4K images, but it uses up a lot of memory. So if you're using up a lot of memory, the best codec might not be the best option, but you want to get as far close to it as you can. So that was the lecture on codecs, and let's continue with the vlog. Catherine is here, and she has a 9-volt battery for me because my microphone's about to die and I need that for the weekend. So I'm happy she got it for me because I don't want to walk back in the rain. I don't know why I just stuck my tongue out, but I'm gonna go get her right now from the bottom.
It's fucking cold. It's like a blizzard outside. Oh my god.
I know. I didn't want to go outside. That's why I made you go to the guest room. Thank
When'd you get here?
On the other side of this door, I may be working on my core. Please do not disturb.
What? That's a... Oh, that's a dumbbell.
So we're about to do the shoot, and look at this view. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ooh. Ready? Shoot time. Yay! Good shoot. Okay.
What?
Good shoot. Good shoot. Alright guys, that was an amazing shoot. I hope you guys liked it. And this is where I'm going to end the vlog. I'm going to go grab a bite to eat. I'm really hungry. And I'm going to meet up with Lynn, Linda, and Maggie, and we're going to grab a bite. So, make sure you guys hit that like button, share this video, drop me a comment below, do something. And smash that subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright guys, catch you later.